Washaholic Wednesday, and this week we're going to be talking about cleaning wood, specifically pressure washing wood. And one of the things you need to do is make sure that you're using low pressure, and you can do that by changing out your nozzle, or in this case you can use a dual lance wand to dial down, switch to a low pressure nozzle. But when you're cleaning, you want to be sure to go edge to edge. And what I mean by that is start on a board and walk the whole length of the deck. Don't stop in the middle and come back, because then you're going to end up with lap marks. You want to start, come through, keep your wand at the same height so that you maintain pressure even across the whole board. Walk the deck, and you can pretty much do the whole deck like that. If you're interested in wood cleaning and restoration, that Wizard of Wood, Everett Abrams, is going to be out here on March the 18th through the 20th to teach a 3-day wood restoration class. This deck here is actually going to be part of the class. We're going to have it outside. We built it in the shop because it's winter here right now. But Everett Abrams is going to be here the 18th through the 20th. I will post a link in the description for you to sign up for this course. You don't want to miss it. If you're a landscaper or a window washer or anybody that does any kind of residential property maintenance or pressure washing, sign up for Everett Abrams' 3-day wood restoration course. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a safe and successful week.